How to hide email number and make call. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open email. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on your profile on top left corner of your screen and then click on security and privacy. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, scroll down till you find profile privacy. Click on profile privacy and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here you'll find all these options. Click on block screenshot for profile. Also in lock profile, simply turn lock profile on, as it will not be visible to people who have not added you in their contacts. You can also turn off profile display options, and in this way you can hide email number and make call. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.